Hello everyone there. Welcome to Career Guides YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be briefing you about the certification course that careerguide.com provides to you, and certification courses for graduates and postgraduates. So this is a sample video for the same, that how counselor can access their login details while we help them to make them account on this. So as soon as we provide you the account and login details for careerguide.com, we will be providing you this link to open up, and then you have to put your email ID and password respectively and log into this. Then you will be redirected to your dashboard where your profile will be coming. So this is how your name, username, email and earned course points will get appear, and this is your status for the course completion. So these are the 4 courses that Career Guide provides to the counselor, and these are the individual courses. You can even buy them under the in one course also, that is Master Career Guide course certification, and can also buy individually if you want to excel in any one of the courses. So if I click on this and show you the detailed lessons included under this, that is certification course for guiding graduates and postgraduates, means the college students particularly. So this is the course content that you'll be getting access to. So this is how these courses look like. If I show you one of the course, lesson 1, so here you can access your course lesson topics. That is, first one is importance of career guidance for graduates. So this is the video which we will be going to listen, that is topic progress. And then if I move back to the lesson again by clicking here, then there is a quiz that you have to complete so that you can move on to the next lesson. So this quiz also I can show you here. It is taking a bit time. Yeah, so here you will be able to see your quiz for importance of counseling for graduates, and you will start quiz. So this is how your questions will be looking, and you can just click any one of this, and then next, again this, then next. Okay, I'm just giving it a random try. There are 5 questions in total. And you can see your score here and the results here. And you can see also restart quiz, view questions, and can view the answers, the correct answers to the quiz. Yes. Now, if you want to move on to the next lesson after completing the course, you have to click on next lesson. And again, here you have to move back. So here we go. You can also check out the related blog posts, career blogs, that you can help, that will be very helpful to you in the learning process. Yeah, so in this way you can complete your lessons one by one and can check your status here, completion status, and you can check some career related blog posts here. So I can show you some career related blogs as well. So these are the blogs available for the counselors You can use them as learning resources to even enhance your counseling practice.
I hope that this video helped you a lot in understanding the details of the course and how to access it. In case of any further queries, you can reach us at this phone number and email IDs for the respective queries. You can just reach us for any counselor related queries. You can reach us to this email ID, that is counselor@careerguide.com. For customer support, you can reach us to customercare@careerguide.com. For any internships and jobs, these are the email IDs respectively. Also, you can register your query by providing your name, contact number, email ID, description, and capture code, and you can submit. We will reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.